Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an easy Pokemon. This time we're going to draw Gossifleur. So let's start by drawing the flower on top of the head. Start by drawing 3 curved lines that kind of meet together. That's the inside of the flower. And then right below, we're going to go out with a big curve for one of the petals and then go back in. So starting from here, just a big curve going out, come back for like a sharp point and then round it off. This line isn't perfect, but don't worry, I'm going to make this thicker using my thicker Sharpie afterwards. So coming off away from the tip here, we'll draw another petal that'll go up. Again, pointy end there, and then give it some form going back. Let's go to the other side. We'll draw another petal, same way, coming from here, big curve out, give the end a point, and then round it off, going towards the center. Another petal that'll basically go right here in this corner. So from here, we'll go up, give it a point, and then curve it again towards the center. So now in this space, we'll draw one more petal, and this will just go up to a point and then back down. Alright, so now let's draw her hair. So from here, we're going to go out this way, kind of like this petal. Just a big curve that goes farther out, and then it's going to come back in one continuous line, and then finish off the back side with a line right here. And let's draw another one right here, right below. From this line, we're going to go out, and back. Okay, so now at this point we can draw the body, which is going to be right here. The face will fall right underneath the flower here. So right here's the center. We'll draw a line going out, and then another line going out to the left. Okay, so now here we're going to draw a curve that goes outward, so you're almost forming a half moon. Come back a short distance, then we're going to draw the tail end of the body with a curve down, and now we're going to draw the other side of the body going up this way. Again, we're going to put this little blip here, right here. Just draw a partial oval and then continue that body line to that hair. Okay, so this body's in front of the other parts of his hair, the hair. So that's why I drew this before drawing the third part of the hair right here. So let's go ahead and draw the hair. Out, curve, and then back in. Okay, so let's draw the other side. The hair is going to come from this curve up to this point right here. So draw a curve going up behind that part of the flower, and then draw a line back to that line. Finally, we'll draw the last part, roughly about the same level as this. So from here, we'll just draw a curve that goes back to the body. And then now we'll finish it off by drawing a line that goes up to this line right there. And the hair is finished. So the hair right here is red, the flower up here is yellow. So now let's work on the face. Let's draw a line right here. So the eyes are oval. So I'm just gonna draw a couple lines here because it's gonna be partially hidden by the flower. And draw a small curve line at the bottom left and color in the rest of the eye. And we'll do the same on the other side. Again, it's going to be partially hidden at the bottom. Draw the highlight there on the bottom left and color it in. I'm going to switch over to a thinner marker or pen to draw in the mouth and thicken it up just a little bit, and finally this little detail right here. That's pretty much it. I'm going to draw some shadow lines. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to finish this line drawing by varying the line width using my thicker Sharpie. And I'm almost doing it randomly, but I want the lines to just vary in width, and this just makes it more interesting. So there it is, Gossifleur, another Pokemon. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.